MAESTRIA project requires data transfer between 18 partners in 7 different countries.
Some of the major challenges relate to governance structures and data sharing. It's very difficult to get everyone to agree to how the data should be shared, what data should be shared, and who's going to be able to have access to those data.
Data must be pseudonymized in order to connect the dots between the different results of the different scientific teams. The approach to compliance mustn't lose the ultimate goal, which is to build a long-lasting scientific tool for research in the field of atrial fibrillation. Pseudonymized data will be collected by sponsors and transferred to data users, who in turn will share the analysis data with the rest of the consortium.
We've been working today at this session on data access, data sharing, data management, to ensure that all partners agree.
A huge challenge for the little teams of the different partners was to handle and agree on how to implement new concepts such as joint controllers, processors, pseudonymization, anonymization, and transfer outside the EU. Thanks to the workshop, we have been able to progress on the question of standard variables, standard format, in ontologies, and pseudonymizations and ways to pseudonymize data.